we start with question number 6. Question 6 is find the sum. We have to find the addition, okay, of these expressions, these terms. There are 4 terms given, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to add. How to add? Understand? First check all the terms are like a square, a square, a square, a square. If the terms are like, we can do addition. If the terms are not like, we cannot do addition. The first check the terms are like or not. These are all like, we will do addition. How to do? First write positive value together. This is positive, this is positive. Put this together. 4a square plus 7a square. Okay, this is plus, put it together. Then minus 5a square minus 3a square. Now plus क्या होता है? Plus होता है. तो add this 7 plus 4 11. And minus. If both same sign, we do addition. 5 plus 3 8. 5 plus 3 8. And minus always minus. Minus addition, but put the sign of minus. 5 plus 3 8 square. So 11a square minus 8a square. We can write 11 minus 8 a square equals to 3a square. That will be the answer of the question number 8. Now look at the second question. AB. All the terms are like. We will add these positive terms and add this negative term, and then we will do subtraction. 7ab plus 8ab minus 10ab minus 5ab. Add these two terms. 7ab plus 8ab. 8 or 7 15ab. Minus plus 10 plus 5 15 minus 15ab. So 15ab minus 15ab 0. So what is the answer? 0. So copy A or B. Now we will solve question number C. Question number C. 6 x square y minus 8x square y minus 4x square y and 3x square y. Look at this question. All the terms are like x square y, x square y, x square y, x square y. So write the positive values together. This is positive, this is positive. 6x square y plus 3x square y. Then minus 8x square y minus 4x square y. Now add this 6 plus 3 9. 9x square y. Minus plus. Sign minus का. 8 plus 4 12. X square y. Now look. What will be like 9 minus 12 and x square y. What will be the answer? 9 minus 12 plus minus 12 minus 9 3, but 12 is greater, we put sign minus. So minus 3 x square y. That is the answer. Now look at the question number B. A plus B, comma 2a minus b, comma 3a minus b. So a plus b, 2a minus b and 3a minus b. We have to solve this. How will you solve? You can see that all the values are not like. Okay, like a these are like and b is like. First we have to do addition, to put the sign of addition instead of comma. A plus b, remove the comma and put addition plus 2a minus b plus 3a minus b. Okay. Next, put like sign together, likes value, like term together, a and a, right here together, a plus 2a plus 3a, then minus b value, plus b, then minus b, then minus b. तो solve it. This is a, so all addition together, a plus 2a plus 3a, 3a plus 2a 5a, 5a और a 6a, कितना हो जाएगा ये 6a, plus b minus b cancel out हो जाएगा. How you do? Plus minus minus, तो b minus b 0, only remaining minus b. So that is the answer, 6a minus b. Copy this. Now we will solve question number E. Question number E. 3x square plus 4x 5x square minus 3x comma 2x minus 4x square. We have to solve this. First comma हटाओ और एडिशन का साइन लगाओ. 3x square plus 4x plus 5x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 4x square. Now write the like sign together. This is like and like, x square x square x square, put it together, write together, 2x square plus 5x square minus 4x square. Now x, these three is the like terms, to write together, plus 4x minus 3x plus 2x. Now solve this. X square, okay, solve this. This is 3 plus 5 minus 4 and x square plus bracket 4 minus 3 plus 2 और x. नंबर को साथ में लिख दो और जो वेरिएबल है उसको पीछे लिख दो. यहाँ भी नंबर को साथ में लिख दो, वेरिएबल. सॉल्व दिस. 3 plus 5 8 minus 4 x square plus 4 minus 3 1 plus 2 x. 4x square plus 3x. That is the answer. Now we will solve question number next. Student, look at question number 7. Add the following. We have to do addition. कैसे करते हैं addition? देखो. This is the variables form. This is the like term. This is the like term. This is like term. So we only add like terms. Okay. So how to do? This is 3x and this is 6x. So 6 plus 3 9. It will become 9x. Plus 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 2 plus 9 11y. That is the answer of question number 8. Now look at the B question. 9a or 6a. 9 plus 6 15. A. This is minus. This is minus. Minus minus plus. But we do always sign minus का आएगा. We will do addition. 10 plus 3 13. So 13 be the answer. Now here this is minus. This is plus. Minus plus minus. So 10 minus 8 2. A. And 10 is greater, we will put the sign of addition. Then here plus minus minus 7 minus 6 1. But 7 is greater, we will put the sign of minus, and 7 minus 6 1. We will write only B. We cannot write. We will not write 1 here. Only B. Now look at the B question. This is n. This is n. Same value. So plus minus minus. अगर यहाँ पे अपोजिट साइन दिखते हैं, अलग अलग साइन दिखते हैं आपको, दिस इज माइनस प्लस या प्लस माइनस we will always do subtraction, हम subtract करते हैं, ठीक है। So 8 minus 3 5, और जो वैल्यू बड़ी है उसके सामने जो साइन लिखा हुआ है वो साइन यहाँ पे लाते हैं। जैसे कि बड़ी वाली कौन सी है, 8 है, उसके सामने क्या लिखा हुआ है, प्लस, we will write the sign of plus and then write the like variable n, plus minus minus, so 17 minus 12 5, and 7 is greater, sign here minus and 5, and so this is the question number 7. Now we will solve question number 8. Now look at the question number 8. Find the sum. We have to do addition. कैसे करेंगे देखो. First is 3a plus b. So write here 3a plus b. Now here 5a plus b. So like term same value को उसके नीचे लिखो. 5a plus b. Then 3a minus b. 3a minus b. We have to solve this, okay? First, what we will do? Count this. Or what we can do? We will add first these two terms, okay? Then we will add this. So solve. Look at here. 5a plus 3a, 8a plus b plus b. 2b. This is 8a plus 2b. Now we will add 3a minus b. First write 8a plus 2b, then write 3a minus b. Now add this. So 8a plus 3a, 11a, plus minus minus 2b minus b, b. So plus b. That is the answer of question number 8. Now look. Question number B. How will you add this? So again, like terms to write together. First we will add these numbers and separate these numbers. Wait. So how will you solve? First क्या करेंगे? ये दोनों सेम दिख रहा है आपको नंबर 5x minus 4, 5x minus 4. We will add these two numbers first. So 5x minus 4 and 5x minus 4. Add करो. 5x और 5x 10x. Minus minus plus 4 plus 4 8. Now we will add these two numbers. 3x plus 6. 3x plus 6, and this 3 plus 3 9, 6x, और 6 और 6 12. So देखो, first we add these two number, then these two number. Now we will add these two answers, okay? That will be our final answer. अब इन दोनों को ऐड करो आप. 10x minus 8 plus 6x plus 12. अब इन दोनों को ऐड करना है. Okay, so 10 plus 6 16x, minus plus minus 12 minus 8 4 plus 4. So that is the final answer. आप इन चारों को एक साथ भी ऐड कर सकते हो, okay? But एक साथ ऐड करने में आपको माइनस प्लस में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. That's why we add separately. तो first आप इन दोनों को पहले ऐड कर सकते थे, इन दोनों को बाद में कर सकते थे, and then together. तो कोई भी कर सकते हो आप, ठीक है? फर्स्ट मैंने क्या किया, इन दोनों को ऐड किया क्योंकि सेम दिख रहे थे. इन दोनों को ऐड किया and then finally what we got the answer, add these two. That is the answer of question number B. Now look at the question number D. 2a plus 5b plus 7. 8a minus 3b plus 3 minus 5a we have to add these two numbers. क्या करेंगे? First इन दोनों को ऐड करो and then what we will get the answer? Add this third term. So add these two first. 2a plus 5b plus 7. Now next 8a minus 3b plus 3. Add करो. 8a plus 2a 10a. 5 minus 3. देखो प्लस माइनस माइनस अलग साइन है, सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. 5 में 3 जाएगा कितना आएगा? 2. बड़ा कौन सा 5 है तो 2b. और नेक्स्ट प्लस 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 7 plus 3 10. ये आ गया. इन दोनों को ऐड करके अब इसको ऐड करो इसमें आंसर में. ओके, व्हाट इज द आंसर? 10a plus 2b plus 10. That is the answer. Now add this minus 5a minus 7b minus 6. So here is plus, here is minus. Opposite sign, we will do subtraction. 10 minus 5, 5. A. Now plus minus minus. So 7 minus 2, 5. 7 is greater, we will put minus 5b. And plus minus minus, 10 minus 6, 4. That is the answer. Question number B. So C and E is your homework. Okay. Now question number 9 we will solve. Look at the question number 9. Identify the term containing x and give its coefficient. So आपको जहाँ पे x लिखा है वो देखना है कहाँ लिखा हुआ है x. x यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, x यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. उसका coefficient लिखना है. Coefficient क्या होता है? The number with the variables or the sign plus sign minus sign with the variable is called coefficient. Okay, like this is 4 with the x, the 4 is called coefficient. जैसे कि let's suppose minus 4x. This is the x. x के साथ में क्या नंबर है? minus 4 है. So minus 4 is the coefficient of x. So यहाँ लिखोगे term containing x. x के साथ में इसके साथ में तो लिखोगे 4x और कोफिशिएंट क्या होगा? कोफिशिएंट होगा आपका 4. क्या हो जाएगा? कोफिशिएंट 4 हो जाएगा. हियर x के साथ में क्या टर्म लिखी हुई है? -88x. क्या है? और कोफिशिएंट क्या हो जाएगा? कोफिशिएंट विल बी -88. -88. -88 will be your coefficient. Now we will solve question number 10. Look at the question number 10. Write the numerical coefficients of the terms in the following. All the terms in the following expressions. तो जो आपको दो expression दे रखे हैं in this, you have to write numerical coefficients of all the terms. यहाँ पे कितनी terms? दो terms हैं. इन दोनों के आपको क्या लिखना है? न्यूमेरिकल कोएफिशिएंट. तो फर्स्ट लिखेंगे न्यूमेरिकल कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ PQ. PQ के साथ में क्या लिखा हुआ? माइनस. वी विल राइट हियर -1. फिर लिखेंगे न्यूमेरिकल कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ P square Q square. इसका मतलब है न्यूमेरिकल कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ P square Q square. क्या लिखा? +7 है तो +7 क्या रहेगा? +7. दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. नाउ B. यहाँ पे कितने टर्म है? 1 2 3. 3 टर्म्स. तो फर्स्ट राइट न्यूमेरिकल कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x. न्यूमेरिकल कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x. तो देखो x के साथ कुछ भी नहीं लिखा हुआ है. जब किसी भी वेरिएबल के साथ में कुछ भी नहीं लिखा हुआ, कुछ भी नंबर नहीं है, वी विल राइट 1. क्या लिखेंगे? +1. नाउ न्यूमेरिकल कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x y क्या हो जाएगा? +3. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट लास्ट न्यूमेरिकल कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y z क्या हो जाएगा? +4. So that is the question number 10. Now in next lecture we will understand exercise 6D. Thank you.